Hey there. This is a very important and interesting video, and I would want you all to listen to it till the end. So, are you all thinking about learning German, but you don't know where to start? Feeling like it's too hard? Don't worry, I've got you covered. So, in this video, I'll show you how to start learning German step by step and how you can actually become good at it. So, los geht's. The very first step would be learn basic words and phrases. First thing first, start with basic words and phrases. You do not need to know all the grammar and on day one. Learn simple things like hallo, which means hello. Wie geht's means how are you. Ich heiße Vidhi. Like, how do you say your name in German? So, whenever we have to learn the words before sentences, you can start with small phrases and then you can continue ahead. The step two would be listen and repeat. Listening and repeating is the key. It's the secret to speaking fluently. Listen to German podcasts, YouTube videos, or even music. Try repeating after them, even if you do not understand the grammar. Just understand the accent, just understand the base of the language. The tip would be watch German cartoons. They use very simple words and they're fun to watch, of course, and easy to understand. Step three would be speak from the day first. So many people think that they need to study for months before speaking, but no, I also did this mistake. The best way to learn would be start speaking from your day one. Even if you make mistakes, it's totally okay. Practice small sentences like you can say, Ich bin müde. That means I am tired. Ich möchte Kaffee. I want coffee. Ich heiße Vidhi. My name is Vidhi. Yeah, these small sentences. Start repeating, start saying these sentences again and again. Step four would be you have to learn smart and not the hard way. Don't just memorize the list of words, start writing the list of words. No, don't do that. Instead, learn German with real life context. Watch movies with subtitle. Whenever you learn a new word, try to incorporate that word into a sentence. Use apps like Duolingo. You can follow language pages. You can start by following ours, and we promise to provide you with interesting content and help you to understand the language, learn the language, and grow with German language. And this last step, which is very important, would be consistent and have fun. So, learning language is like going to the gym. You don't get fit in one day, but daily practice, and you will definitely see the result. Even if every day you're giving 10 minutes now, that is enough. Give 10 minutes a day, that is totally enough. And most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the process and do not stress much. Learning language is genuinely fun, it is not something to be stressed about. So, are you all ready to start learning German? In the caption below, I will rewrite these points so that you have them handy. Please follow these steps, and German would be easy for you. Follow this page for more fun and easy German lessons. And please come, join us. Let's learn together. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Happy learning. Auf Wiedersehen, liebe Leute. Cheers.